Welcome to Python tutorial by Violavizn Education. I'm Mahalakshmi. I'm going to be your trainer during this entire Python tutorial. I'm so excited to be a trainer on this journey. As you should know, you can learn in this tutorial step-by-step instructions, interactive coding access, quizzes, and many more. The course is structures and covers by every Python concepts like Python data types, Python variables, if-else concepts, file handling, etc. So if you guys have never coding before, don't worry. This is very simple and easy. That's why Python is called beginner friendly. At the end of the course, you can build a new project like a number guessing game or a program that automatically sends happy birthday emails to your friends and family. So don't forget your friend's birthday. And there are so many projects waiting to be discovered by you. So let's get started. What is programming? Do you know what programming is? Don't worry, I will explain it to you in an easy way. Think of a robot friend who loves to dance. To make your robot dance, you need to give it step by step instructions. In programming, these instructions are like lines of code. So your program might look like this. As you guys seen on the screen, there is a code for your robot to be dance. Move left leg, move right leg, shake arms, twirl around. These lines of code tell the robot what to do. First, move the left leg, then the right leg, shake the arms, and finally twirl around. When you run this program, your robot starts dancing just the way you instructed. So, programming is like telling your robot what you want them to do by giving them step by step instructions. Just like you create stories with words in programming, you create programs with code to make things happen in the computer or with other devices. Let's move into the next concept. Program algorithm. Algorithms are the basics for programming. Algorithms are a sequence of details. Let me explain what they are. Alright. Let's imagine you have a big box of colorful Lego bricks and you want to build a tower. Now, building a tower might sound easy, but you need to follow a step of steps to make sure your tower stands tall and looks cool. In the world of computers, we use something similar to Lego instructions and we call it an algorithm. An algorithm is like a recipe for solving a problem or doing a task. It's a set of instructions that the computer can understand and follow to achieve a specific goal. This is where your tower is finished and you can step back and admire your creation. Let's say you want to teach a robot to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Your algorithm might look like this. Get a plate, 2 slices of bread, a jar of peanut butter and a jar of jelly. As you can see the 4 steps on the screen, the step 1 should be place 1 slice of bread on the plate. The steps 2 should be use a knife to spread peanut butter on the bread. The step 3 should be place the second slice of bread on top. The step 4 should be use a different knife to spread jelly on the top slice. This is called algorithm that we instruct to the robot or the machine to do. Finally, now you have a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Interesting, yes? So in simple terms, an algorithm is just a set of clear instructions that help you or a computer solve a problem or complete a task. Much like following steps to build something with Lego bricks or making a sandwich, etc. So hope you understand what is programming and what are the concepts we have to use in it. So kids, I will see you in the next video with some interesting Python basic concepts. Happy coding, kids! At the end of the